Good day to all. I'm Dr. Ashima Puri. I'm a clinical psychologist and I'll be taking the happiness course for you. We have been running this course at Stratford University for the last 2 years, and now it is time we bring it online so that you all can benefit with it. Who does not know what happiness is, and why do we need a course on happiness? Have you ever thought or wondered that what exactly is this course going to help me with? Well, let me tell you so that you understand better. This course will make you understand your happiness score. That is, we will be able to measure this happiness. This is a science-based course, and this course is different from anything else you have experienced. Why this course will benefit you is because once you know, you can create your own happiness, or how to leave out the stress and carry on with your work to become a better problem solver and a better decision maker. Now, who has not talked about happiness? Dalai Lama talks about happiness, Sri Ravi Shankar talks about happiness, Aristotle talks about happiness, Gandhiji has also talked about happiness. You can name any kind of a spiritual leader or any kind of a leader who talks about happiness. But why is this different? This is different because we are going to be measuring it. We are going to be understanding how to have lasting happiness, not just momentary happiness, which everyone has been talking about. Momentary happiness is just like little pleasure I can get from having a particular food, or from any kind of a outfit that I'm wearing, or from meeting a friend. But how to create that happiness which will help, which will be a positive emotion and help me in my day-to-day activity. So once I'm saying I'm going to measure it, what do I really mean by that? That I'm going to do a happiness survey, see where I stand and what is my happiness score, and in time I assure you that you will be able to improve on your happiness score, because these are very scientifically strategized decisions and ways of measuring and knowing your own happiness and overcoming any kind of a problems which you face, so that you become a better problem solver, better, more efficient in your work, a better person, be able to control your anger, be able to control your any negative emotion that is coming. It also helps you in any of your illnesses, so that we increase our well-being. This enhances our own subjective well-being, and the well-being comes from which all areas: our career, our family, our social circle, our personal development, and our evolution. We have heard many spiritual leaders say that happiness is within, but how do we reach it? Sonja Lyubomirsky has given us a very good strategy that 40% of happiness can be achieved in our own manner, and that is how we can increase on our well-being and enhance our potential power, so that we become more creative, we become more productive, and we increase our proficiency. Now, who does not want this? We are all into a world, into a global world where stress has become the name of the game. And we feel that unless and until I'm stressed out, I'm not working so much. But this simple happiness course teaches you how you can achieve all your objectives and goals, and also your relationships. Be more kind, understand your own emotions, be able to tackle with your anger, hate, jealousy, irritability, and how to have a good night rest, so that you wake up in the morning absolutely fresh. But this is something you will only learn when you come to the course. The second thing is that we will help you to understand your strengths. When you're doing the strength survey, you know what is it that makes you happy, instead of just trying to find a venue for yourself. This is a very scientific course. It has been time tested and achieved in laboratories, so that we have come out with solutions to offer you and make you understand and realize that what do the strength surveys mean and how to go about it and know your strengths, so that at times when you're feeling low, which is absolutely normal, how you can use the strengths to make yourself, empower yourself again and carry on with your activity and work and accomplish anything that you set out for. The second most important aspect is training your brain. We have to train our brains to look into positivity and solutions. But negativity is something which comes at any point. Even if somebody does 100 good things to you, but one negative thing, then that is what we remember most of the time. But what about if negativity can give us stress? Why don't we think like, what can kindness, positivity or happiness do? It improves our efficiency and our productivity, our creativity, and it also overcomes any kind of problems which we might have. So the benefits of this course are immense. Anybody who does this course will be able to tackle their situation on their own. That was the whole idea of doing it online, so that your anonymity is also kept, plus you have a benefit of getting out of your problems on your own. Maybe you don't want to share about them, and then by the end of the course, you will be, by the end of every workshop in fact, you will be doing a survey which will take you from point 1 to point 10 in the way. You would know where you stand, how much of activity you need to do, and how you will overcome your problems. Also, with this course, once you have filled in all the activities, you will be evaluated and scored. You can come up and have a discussion with all our professionals. Happiness is a very, very subjective emotion. Everybody looks at it differently. That's why it was very essential that we brought it online, because the way you are happy or things which make you happy are specially for you. It cannot be mass scale for everybody. So when you take the survey, you will be able to identify as to what are those strengths and your weaknesses, and also how to reach out to and create your own happiness. Who doesn't want to be happy? But how to be happy is the question. There are enough exercises in this course which will teach you how you can be happy and resolve all your problems and all your issues. Now, this is what we mean by the happiness course. The other very important thing about this is to understand what are the myths of happiness. People feel that if I do something, I will be happy, or if I please someone, then they will be happy with me, whether it's my boss or it's my colleague or it's my family member or it's some relative. But to understand itself on your own and to be able to understand your emotions about it is the most significant aspect. So the myths of happiness will be covered, and we will be able to say what is exactly happiness and what does not make me happy.